Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create frames in Figma step by step in 2026. First, open Figma and create or open a design file. Once you're on the design canvas, press the F key on your keyboard or click the frame tool from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. After selecting the frame tool, click and drag on the canvas to create a custom frame. You can also choose a preset frame size from the options that appear, such as phone, tablet, desktop, or presentation. Once the frame is created, click on it to select it. You can resize the frame by dragging its corners, or use the width and height options in the right panel to enter custom dimensions. If you want to organize your project, double-click the frame name and rename it to something like home screen, landing page, or any name you prefer. You can create additional frames by pressing the F key again and repeating the same steps. This is useful when designing multiple screens for a website or mobile app. Figma automatically saves every change you make, so you don't need to click a Save button while working. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create frames in Figma. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.